that this is not my hair. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this super natural look. Okay guys, look at my hair, y'all. I mean, you really cannot tell me that this is not my, look at this. Y'all can't tell me that this is not my hair. I am honestly in love with this hair. This is probably one of my most favorite collabs because this hair is literally bomb, y'all. So this company's hair comes in different type of texture according to what your natural texture is, guys. My texture is more so like a 3B, 3C texture. I have a little bit of 3B in the front, but most guys is 3C, okay? So whenever they reached out to me, they asked me what my curl pattern was, and I gave them the most approximate answer that I could. Some 3B, mostly 3C. I have medium length hair, not nothing too long. So guys, I think these are all 20 inches. But guys, oh my gosh, like I fooled everybody. You guys are gonna see in the video that the clip-ins are reinvented, okay? They have made the clip-ins smaller and way flatter, so they look way more seamless than they ever have before. I sleep in these clip-ins. A lot of people, when they have clip-ins, they can't sleep in them. They have to take the clip-ins out every night, guys. No, I literally take a shower with these clip-ins in, and I wet my hair literally every day so that everything can kind of still blend together. I wet my hair every day, guys. These clip-ins are freaking amazing. I'm not even going to lie. Like, I have recommended my friends to purchase this hair from that company, okay? This hair, yep, it's my hair. It's my hair. Let's just go ahead and get it popping, and I will see you guys later on in the video. All right, bye. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this video, I'm going to show you guys how I apply these clip-in extensions and make them look super natural, and also how to style them. So right here, I'm just going to grab the Aussie 7-in-1 Total Miracle Moist shampoo, and I'm going to, matter of fact, I don't think it's a shampoo, I think it's a conditioner, but I'm going to use that to wash the clip-ins. Now I haven't worn the clip-ins yet, but guys, I do recommend washing the clip-ins, meaning just get it really fully submerged in water and kind of run some product through it. When I did wash it, I did notice like it looks like it was kind of dirtiness whenever I rinsed it, but guys, I think it's just the dye that they put on the hair that kind of bleeds a little bit when you're washing it. But guys, so yeah, so just kind of co-wash the curly hair. Like I said, I used the conditioner, the Aussie conditioner, and I'm just going to kind of rinse it really good. Right now I'm just really rinsing it really good, and then whenever I rinse it really good, I'm going to put everything on top of each other in the sink, and then I'm going to put that conditioner on the hair and let it kind of sit in the hair just to get it like super moisturized and get it popping, okay? And then after I do that for a couple minutes, let it sit, guys, I'm going to rinse, and I'll be ready to go ahead and style the style, okay? So your girl is starting off with freshly washed hair, but baby, it is dry, desert dry, okay? So the first step in moisturizing natural hair is water, guys. No matter what texture you have, if you suffer from dry hair, applying a great amount of water will help you be able to maneuver your hair better, create some slip and start to add moisture in your hair. As you guys can see, my hair is dry. Okay, it's so dry. So I put a little bit of water on it just to make sure that it was easier to part and to, like I said, add some moisture to my hair. So once I do that, guys, I just put water in a water bottle and sprayed it on my hair. Now I'm going to part from ear to ear, guys, because I actually have a half up, half down look in my head. Like, I know that I wanted something that looked really, really, really natural to provide a little bit of style to it, but also something that was cute. So yeah, guys, I know it looked like I was bald on the side, but I wasn't, guys. It was just the lighting. So yes, guys, so I'm just going to basically do that. So once I'm able to kind of part how I want to part, guys, I'm going to kind of clean up the parting, and then I'm going to start kind of sectioning the hair out. I am going to section the front of the head out, and then the back I'm going to apply a great amount of water on the back and a little bit of moisturization, a little bit of curl product, and then I'm going to just braid the back of my hair into 4 cornrows, guys. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. It doesn't have to be anything specific, anything neat. Just get 4 cornrows in there. And the reason why I'm doing that is because, guys, I learned with clip-ins, in order for things to blend the way it's supposed to, guys, do not have so much of your hair left out. I feel like when people have a lot of their hair left out, it leaves a lot of room for things not to blend right and things to look uneven, guys. So I just don't like that look. I feel like when you do a clip-ins, your girl is tired, y'all. But when you do clip-ins, yeah, make sure that, you know, especially that big old part in the back of my head, got like, girl, I'm gonna go ahead and, I can't even talk this morning, but I'm gonna go ahead and just braid into 4 cornrows to connect those braids to the next braid, guys, and then just crochet the end of the braid. You guys are going to be able to see me do that as well. And then I'm going to start applying the applying the clip-ins. Now, I did wet the clip-ins, guys. I did wash them, because one thing I realized about like kinky hair, whether it's tracks, whether it's a wig, whether or not it's clip-ins, guys, wetting it first or even washing it first loosens that curl pattern and gives it a more like flowy look. Like, you're able to manipulate it way better, okay, guys? So I really, really like wetting hair first, especially these clip-ins first, and then applying the product and things like that, all kind of like separate, guys. Like, all like, you know, track by track, if that makes sense. So basically, once I'm done with the 4 cornrows, I'm going to use a crochet needle, and then I'm going to kind of crochet the end into the rest of the braids, the end of my hair into the rest of the braids, to kind of get like a flat surface and make sure that that braid is disappear, guys. So as far as when it comes to the clip-ins, guys, it came with 2 rows of the long ones, which is the 5 clips, and then it came with 2 of the rows of the 4 clips, and it came with 2 of the rows of the 3 clips, and then it came with 4 rows of the 2 clips. And I really, really like that, because the 2 clips, you can put that anywhere where it's like small spaces. So yes, guys, what I ended up doing was I got the hair out of the water, and then I applied more water, sprayed some more water on it, guys. And then I put some of that Suave Suave leave-in that you see me put on my hair. I put that on it, and then I put the Eco Style gel on it, so that way it can have some hold, guys. I did everything row by row before I applied it to my hair, so that way it's already moisturized, guys. If you try to comb and do all this other stuff when the clip-ins are in, they may slide down and things like that, guys. So I typically do this every like 3 to 4 days. And then I kind of just take the clips off real quick and like wet them really good, put some product on it, combing through, and apply it right back in my head, guys. I do that about twice a week. So just to kind of keep that super fresh look that I am looking for, okay? So yeah, guys, I just went ahead and just did that. Started with the 5. And then end up going to the 4, and then I didn't even think I used a 3 at the very, very back, guys. But when I'm doing this, guys, I'm making sure that I know I'm saying guys so much, right? But I'm making sure that when I apply the clip-ins, I am curving the ends of the track up, so that way I don't have to have like that leave out if I don't want to on the, to cover that track up. So as you guys can see, you see how it looks? It already looks really, really natural, guys. So, like I said, I'm saying guys so much. Let me try not to say guys the rest of the time. But I'm putting that 3, like a couple of the clips. I started with the 5, 2 4s, and then I'm using the 3, using that in the back. And I used another 3 at the very top. But I'm pretty sure I should have used like, the 2. But I wanted to use that 2 and save it for the top. So that's what I ended up basically doing. So once I was on the back, I end up using that swab on my hair again in the front and combined with some water. And then once I did that, I parted a little section out in the front, as you guys can see, and I'm using that to cover the back tracks up. So once I cover that last row of tracks at the top, I am then going to apply some product and gel just to kind of smooth that into the tracks and make sure that it's smooth and make sure that it's not going anywhere, and just kind of blend it into it. So I'm using them same products on my hair part in the front, and I'm going to brush my edges out and brush everything up where I want it to be, so that way everything is, ready to just kind of be installed, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush, detangle everything. And then I'm going to start adding the tracks in. So guys, I only want to add maybe 2 rows just to make sure it still look natural, but I still want the fullness at the top. So I end up parting where I want it, like about 2 inches worth. So that way those 2 clip ends can be installed the way I want them to, flat but still in there, So guys, once everything is done, I'm going to just kind of put everything back up into a ponytail with using my boar bristle brush, and I'm going to just go ahead and brush everything up. I'm going to use like 3 or 4 like little black rubber bands to make sure that everything is still flat but still looks natural, if that makes sense. Okay, guys? So yeah, that little part ain't gonna matter. You guys see a little through, see a little product and little clips through my hair, but everything ended up drying and being fluffed out a lot more, so you wasn't able to see any of those tracks. Yeah, and I'm going to use that Got To Be glue cream for my edges. They work really well. This product works really well for my edges. It keeps my edges laid for days on days on days on days. Love you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, I highly recommend these clip-ins, honestly. If this wasn't a sponsored content, I don't know if I would have bought these products because I didn't really know that they were clip-ins that match so well. But since I do know, I would love to work with this company again, even using another type of texture and doing someone else's hair like this. Love you guys so much. Talk to you on my next video. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was a pretty informative tutorial, guys. I hope you like the end result. I think it turned out really, really bomb. Now my hair is still wet, guys. It typically looks the same when it's 100% dry. Of course, overnight when you sleep on it, it starts to look crazy, but it gets way, way bigger than this whenever, it's done. Well, I'm not gonna say it gets way, way, way bigger. It does get fuller, but I did put gel on it, so I didn't want it to get too full. I want it to still be defined. Okay, guys? So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing to your girl's channel. Roll to 100K. Let's get it.